What's inside of a 30mm sawed off canister shells? There's your lift charge. Time fuse. Well, the lift is actually down there in the bottom. I don't know. Maybe that's, oh, you know what that is? That's your tail effect. That burns as it goes up and you see the tail. Okay. Wow, look at that. That's a decent sized little shot. So that's like basically what you're getting here coming out of like one of these. You're basically buying a single shot from a 500 gram cake. That is that equivalent.